Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Tone It Up. Tone It Up, found at https://www.toneitup.com, is a fitness and lifestyle brand designed to empower women on their journeys to healthier and happier lives. Founded by Karina Dawn and Katrina Scott, the platform offers a wealth of resources, ranging from on-demand and live workouts to nutritional guidance and a supportive community. Their approach emphasizes balanced living, combining effective exercises with mindful nutrition and a positive mindset. The Tone It Up website serves as a central hub for all things related to the program. Here, you can explore their diverse workout options, which cater to various fitness levels and preferences. Whether you're looking for high-intensity interval training, yoga flows, or strength-building routines, you're likely to find something that suits your needs. They even offer specialized programs designed for pre- and postnatal fitness, demonstrating their commitment to supporting women through different life stages. In addition to the workouts themselves, the website provides nutritional support with recipe ideas, meal plans, and guidance on making healthy food choices. This holistic approach acknowledges that fitness is not solely about exercise, but also about nourishing your body from the inside out. A key element of the Tone It Up experience is the community aspect. The brand has cultivated a strong and supportive network of women who encourage and motivate one another. This sense of connection can be incredibly valuable, especially for those who are new to fitness or seeking extra accountability. Through the platform, you can connect with other members, share your progress, and find inspiration from like-minded individuals. This focus on community fosters a positive and uplifting environment where women can feel empowered to pursue their wellness goals. Beyond the digital resources, Tone It Up also offers a range of products, including protein powders, nutritional supplements, and fitness apparel. These products are designed to complement the program and further support your fitness journey. While not essential to participating in the Tone It Up community, they offer convenient and readily accessible tools to enhance your overall experience. Ultimately, Tone It Up aims to provide a comprehensive and accessible platform for women seeking to improve their well-being. From workouts and nutrition to community and support, they strive to equip individuals with the resources they need to achieve their fitness and lifestyle goals.